Welcome! Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Google Pixel 6 Pro. First of all, open your Google application. It's our application on this phone, this one. Then in the bottom we got more settings in the top right corner. Click it and go into settings. Then choose Google Assistant. And here need scroll down and find general option. This one. Go into, and here first option in the list will be Google Assistant. This position of switcher is turn on. Click one more time, confirm turn off Google Assistant, yes, turn off, and that's it. Now we turn off Google Assistant option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.